What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a swell day. And I had a customer just bring in his system. It's right here behind me. I did not build this one, but I previously have swapped out the power supply. It had one of the PVIA, like 500 watts, and it let go on him. So we ended up putting another power supply in it. He ran it for a while, and then he called me and he's like, "Hey man, it's slowed down. It's gotten really, really slow. Don't know why." And I just did a video the other day about having like scam hard drive, or not hard drives, but solid state drives and scam, M.2s. He brought it in and he was like, "Yeah, it's just super slow." We put a new copy of, fresh installed a copy of Windows because he's like, "I don't have anything on here I care about," and it was still ridiculously slow. So I'm like, let's take a look at the solid state that's in it, and it actually has a Patriot burst. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't had a lot of problems out of like Patriot products. I've definitely used a bunch of their RAM before. But I don't know if the burst line is maybe their cheaper line of solid states. But I pulled this bad boy out and I threw in, I have a bunch of these Intel SSDs. These are older, but I mean, they're like tanks. They're even in like a full metal enclosure. And these things seem to do really good, just as little cheap drives to throw in stuff. So I threw one of those in. I put a fresh copy of Windows on it. It fired up, everything's running smooth, running happy. So I was like, you know what, for poops and giggles, I went ahead and ran plugged it into my main system and ran Crystal Disk on this, and it's getting around 10 to 12 megabytes per second read and 5 to 6 write every time I do the test. For reference, I mean, that's like 10 times slower than your average hard drive, let alone nowhere in solid state territory. So I guess that is one thing that it doesn't happen as often, but you definitely need to look out for, is solid states can go bad. I mean, just like anything can go bad. I don't see it happen a ton, but yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys down below. Have you seen solid states go bad? And they still work, they're just ridiculously slow. Made in Taiwan, Patriot. Yeah, it's a 120 gig burst drive. Looking online, they seem to have good reviews, but I mean, he's been using this system for a while, so there's no telling. I did tell him it would benefit him greatly to step up to a NVMe, but the budget doesn't allow it right now for him to really get much over sorry, I keep getting messages over here. Getting my phone blown up today. Have a bunch of orders for new systems coming in. So if you like watching that kind of thing, we'll be doing new budget builds and medium level builds. Seems like that market is undersaturated. Everybody's building high-end computers, or they're building low-end computers for high-end prices. So I'm just trying to hit that medium to low mark for a medium to low price. I make a little bit of money. You guys save a little bit of money, or whoever's buying them, and it's a win-win. But regardless, just making a quick little video for today. I'm about to jump off. Hope y'all have a good one, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. So got this guy coming in and gonna go pick it up. He's super stoked that it's solved, and went ahead and upgraded the RAM for him too. He had 16 gigs in there. We went ahead and added another 2 sticks of 8, so he's at 32 gigs. So 32 gigs of RAM. He's got an RTX, I believe it's a 3060 i7. I think it's a 9th gen i7. So he's good to go. Definitely good to do some gaming now. Because he was thinking, oh man, something's wrong with my computer. I'm going to have to get a whole nother computer. And I'm like, whoa, pump the brakes. We can definitely save it. 9 times out of 10, it's savable or fixable. So yeah. Anyways, I'm jumping off here. For real, the video's over, guys. Bye. Shameless plug at the end. Yeah, shout out. Hey, by the way, everybody that has been, buying stuff and reaching out to me and getting, things off the web store, I appreciate you guys. I really do. You're straight up, like, this isn't an affiliate link. You're just helping me progress my business. And I'm trying to help you guys out with like realistic and reasonable prices as well. So yeah, if you see something, let me know, and we can definitely make it work for you. So Peace out.